Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. And do you remember that bullet of a buggy that we did in yesterday's video? Like, wow, 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 wow.
It may not have been yesterday's video.
Probably though, probably. This thing is fast. Whoa, it got dark. Okay, I'm a silhouette. So let's just go bash it. Trust me, this is quick. If you missed that video, you really should check it out. What is going on with the camera? That's okay. If you want to see up close shots inside the buggy and everything, we did that in our speed test video. It was a little bit longer for a speed test video, but we wanted to show you all that stuff because it was so quick. Very important stuff. So let's bash this, hopefully not break it because it's so quick. I love that it's 1/10 scale. Spare parts are readily available from all different companies. I can't see anything. All right, let's just go drive. The goal is to have fun, but not completely destroy it. Yes.
I'll not destroy it.
I mean,
you can't drive.
Why do I always break the stuff? What? That grass is so tall. I need the weed eater. Oh no.
It is so
Oh, that grass is 10 times taller than the buggy. Poor little buggy. Okay, go toward the left side. The grass isn't as bad. It looks like a mower after. Yeah, okay. Look at that. You can do it. You can do it. Don't throw the rocks too hard. Nah, I'm afraid. There's a root there. Oh my gosh. You can do it, Abby. I have so much faith in this little buggy. Now remember, this is a buggy. It's not really like a rock climber. Look at that! You did it! Wow. Oh man, look at that poor buggy. If it wasn't
for navigating around the weeds, it'd go up easy.
I know. You got it, you got it, you got it. I think we should go to the smaller hill where there's not as much grass. You proved it can do it. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's go down here. You did it in one try. You already got it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's so much fun. Good job. Listen to the power in this thing. Look at the, now it has a plastic protective thing on there.
So when we're done bashing, it's still clean.
Clean. For one time. Nice. This thing's so fast. I love it. Love this buggy. Yeah, clean some of that dust off of it. Nice. Easy, easy, easy. Ah! Oh, you might be stuck. This grass is, oh, nope. Power owns the grass, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, Abby. Yeah, sweet. Wow, poor little buggy. Wow. Such a good ramp. We forgot our ramp today, by the way, which is why Abby's using the asphalt. Listen to it. Isn't that crazy?
Rips.
Yeah. Woo! It clears it every time.
Look at this. You see this rock chunk? It just flew out from the truck. This just flew from the truck.
Wow. Okay. You poor little thing. Look at all that grass. Let's do this. Okay. Let's kick up some dust. That was cool. Whoa! Look at those tires ballooning. Go ahead and do it one time. Throttle. Wow. Wow. This is amazingly fast and powerful. And that's just 3 cells too. Oh, wow. I don't want you to get rocks thrown on you like crazy.
You always know when,
when
I think it's fun because I don't talk.
Yeah. Okay, that's one. You guys know what I mean when I'm counting. That's her first official flip that I'm going to count. Oh, that's 2.
Might be too bumpy for it.
I don't know. I see you're easing on the throttle now, aren't you? Now that you're afraid to lose your turn.
You'll break it.
Yeah. Oh! Okay. Oh, and I'm afraid of the rocks when they come after us. Wow. Oh. Also getting stuck counts as being flipped over.
Ow!
Yeah. Yeah. The rocks. Man, this thing is cool. It's hot out. Guys, it's October in Kentucky here. Oh, shoo.
Look at those marks I left.
Yeah, cool. Sweet. Don't throw rocks at me. This will hurt. Oh, oh, that root.
Supposed to get you. I faced it the other way.
Yeah. It's like 88 degrees still. Probably be snowing next week. Nice. Oh, that was epic. Wow. Wow.
This truck doesn't want you to touch it.
It's a buggy. It's a buggy.
Whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What do you guys think of this thing? Man, you can just hear the power. What?
Whoa, ow! What just got me in the leg? That hurt. Are those mushrooms?
Those are mushrooms, yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
Let's
let's
go
look.
look.
Bright orange buggy mushrooms. What kind of mushrooms are these?
Bonus points. Bonus points if you know what those are.
Somebody, I'm sure, does. Pretty crazy. Very bright orange. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Nature video's over. Buggy. I kind of like that ripped skin on the side of it.
Yeah.
Looks like a snake skin peeling off. Oh, ow, 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 oh, ow, oh, why'd you do that? Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, I think our camera like got busted. Woo! This is one of the most powerful, this might be the most powerful 10th scale thing we've had, or at least in a long time. Wow. For such a tiny little buggy, that is powerful. And so fast. There's water there. Don't hit the water if you can avoid it. Oh, nice ramp. Look, you ramped higher than your bump is big.
Everybody's like, ramp over the bump.
Ramp over the bump. Looks like it needs trimmed a little.
Do you want to drive
Yes.
it? I'll let
Thank
you.
you.
Drive it.
So nice of
If
you.
you break it though, I'm not talking
If
to
I
you
break
for
it,
a
I buy
month.
it.
Oh my gosh. You scare me.
This is fast, fast. If you guys missed the speed test video, check it out.
Ah! Fun fact, Nathan has hit me with several RCs before.
Fun fact.
Fun, not so fun fact.
Oh, what did I hit?
I think they all somehow got edited out of the videos.
No. This thing is so much fun. I don't want to break it, but then I also want to go like full speed ahead and just hit things with it. But not you.
Well, not now, but before. Back in the day.
Back in the day.
The pre-bump day.
Oh, there's
One! I keep calling it a
Buggy.
truck!
the buggy, Abby. Come on, you're our ground vehicle.
Oh, pregnancy brain. Leave me alone.
This is fun. So, you know, in the past I've told you guys I don't like when things go ridiculously fast because it's kind of scary. But, you know, it's better to have too much power than not enough power. And I am really becoming accustomed to that mindset, that school of thought. Just, you have to be careful with the power. Oh, something's stuck.
I was gonna say, what'd you do to my buggy? I heard something. Is it a leaf? Nathan, did you break my buggy?
Might have.
Oh my gosh. Look at the shock! What did you do?
I broke the shock.
Nathan, are you kidding me? I'm not talking to you for a month. That's what I said.
For how long?
A month. Did you fix it? Did you fix
What do
it?
you think?
I'm guessing you glued it.
It just popped off. It just popped off.
You're lucky.
I know. I wasn't even going full throttle all that much. Now here's the good news though, guys. You could take any shock from any 1/10th scale, if that did break, and pop it on there. It's very universal size. Does that look broken to you?
I don't know, let me inspect it. Hey!
Okay, you want to inspect it? Go for it.
It's this one, right?
Yes.
It popped off, you're right. It's on there. All right, I will talk to you. All right. Don't hit the pole.
No.
Now you're just making me nervous.
When anything breaks, who's the one that fixes it anyway?
Sometimes me.
Only sometimes.
I am like the pro glue airplanes back together person.
You do a good job at that, yeah. I even trimmed it back up for you and everything. Well guys, obviously this thing is amazing. Just be careful with it. It is very powerful, very fast, and if you want to pick one up for yourself, we'll have it linked in the description box below at our cost of our channel. YouTube apparently doesn't like those links now. They kind of like, okay, nicely done. Nicely done. Absolutely love the hobby, and it's so much fun when we find something like this. I knew it seemed a little pricey, and I wanted to know why for sure, and now we know why. This thing is just a rocket on wheels. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it's fun, for sure.
1/10 scale spare part availability is just about everywhere for this thing. If you ever, you know, burn up your motor or whatever, which you shouldn't, but if anything like that happens, then you can just swap things out very easily, like those shocks, if I do happen to permanently break one. Guys, we'll have it linked below. Like I was saying, YouTube doesn't love those links, so if you want to support us, we'll have our Patreon linked below too. The Patreon support really does 100% help our channel keep up and running, so big thanks to our current patrons. We could not do this without you guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.